Hi, I am Dan
And I'm Lisa.
from WPPO Wood-Fired Pizza Ovens. We're here today to show you how we light our Karma 32 wood-fired oven. What we're going to do first is we're going to take the kindling wood we have here. We're going to build a Lincoln log style crib in the middle of the oven. Lincoln logs like you did when you were a kid. Just crib it up, and then you're going to put the fire starter in the middle of the pile of wood, start it, and then let that catch the wood on fire, and we'll continue on from there. All right, now that we have the kindling started, we're going to make sure that we have the damper open in the flue. And then I also put the door on about 3/4 of the way to help create a better draft. Once the stack starts to gain heat, it pulls air faster through the door, which creates a bigger, faster, hotter fire. Now that we have the kindling going well, it's time for us to get the fire a little hotter. So how we're going to do that is we're going to add a little bit of wood at a time so we don't create too big of a fire and overheat the oven. So I'm going to take some smaller pieces of wood, about 2" by 2" square, and I'm going to add a couple pieces at a time, bring the oven up to temperature. So now we have our fire going fairly well. We can continue to move the logs to the middle. You want to keep the fire in the middle of the oven for now as it warms up, because what we're trying to do now is heat up the stones. After about 45 minutes to an hour, the stone should be up to around 600 degrees. And at that amount of time, not just the surface of the stone, but the stone all the way through will be heated through, so it'll maintain heat a lot longer. So it's been about 45 minutes now, and our oven has reached 650 degrees. It's time for us to move the fire to the position in the oven where we want it. We'll do that by inserting the fire separator and pushing the embers to the back or to the side of the oven. And that there is how we light up our Karma 32 from WPPO to get it ready for cooking some delicious pizzas. Get fired up.